In this video, we're going to take a very quick moment to talk about VPC design best practices. Amazon VPC offers a comprehensive set of virtual networking capabilities that provide AWS customers with many options for designing and implementing their AWS network. However, it can be difficult to decide on an ideal network design for your organization from among the various network strategies and configuration permutations, especially for customers who do not have dedicated network professionals to design, size, and manage their networks. For that reason, the following video will aim to give you just a few best practices you should keep in mind when designing your virtual private clouds. When configuring any computer network, there are some universal network design principles to consider. For example, it's best to implement non-overlapping network ranges for your private networks to simplify the ability to route between remote networks. That being said, the first best practice is that you should ensure that your VPC network range does not overlap with your organization's other private network ranges. Second, you shouldn't allocate all your network addresses at once. Instead, you should ensure that you reserve some address space for future use. Next, you should divide your VPC network range evenly across all available availability zones in a region. Additionally, you should create one subnet per available availability zone for each group of hosts that have unique routing requirements. In other words, public versus private subnets is one example. And finally, you should size your VPC CIDR and subnets to support significant growth for the expected workload. Here are a few commonly used VPC and subnet sizes. Feel free to check this and other diagrams like it out at the VPC docs at Amazon.com. And otherwise, that'll wrap it up for this very quick video on VPC design best practices.